What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Angel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to create a pattern using the Liquify Persona with Affinity Photo. And if you have Affinity Photo, this video is for you, but if you don't have it, I highly recommend that you get Affinity Photo, because some of the tools that Affinity Photo has, we don't have them with Affinity Designer. So that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and jump to the video right now. But wait, don't forget to like this video and subscribe and ring post notifications. Alright guys, let's get into the video now. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to be doing is set up our canvas, okay? So today's going to be 3840 by 2160 pixels at a 300 dpi. And over here, you want to check this box. Make sure you check that box. That is the transparency background, and hit create. Okay? Alright guys, so what we're going to be working on today is going to be something really simple that any beginner can do. So let's go ahead and go to our pen tool over here. Click on that, and we want to go ahead and left click over here and also down here. Okay, and let's go over here where you see the stroke. Right here we're going to put a 20 point, which is already there, but we're going to do it for you to see it, right? And now what we want to do, we're going to go ahead and duplicate this layer, right? So let's go ahead and hit Control J, or in Mac it's going to be Command J, I believe. And we're going to go ahead and click Shift, right, and left click at the same time, hold it and move up. Okay, it does not have to be perfect. I'll say about right there, we're good. So we're going to go up here again. We're going to click on that, and I'm going to make this a 6 point. Okay, boom, just like that. Again, we want to go ahead and duplicate this layer by hitting Control J. Okay, Shift and left click, move down. Again, it does not have to be with the same proportion, you know what I mean? But at least eyeball it, just like that. It does not have to be perfect. And now what we want to do, we want to go ahead and highlight all of these by hitting Shift and left click at the same time, and hit Control G to group it, okay? Just like that. All right, so now what we want to do is, again, duplicate it a couple times. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, say about right there, and then I'm gonna hit Control J, just like that. Do the same thing over here. Okay guys, all right there, just like that. All right, so now let's highlight all of these right here and group them together. Control G, and everything, we have one layered here. Okay, now, so what we want to do is go to our rectangle tool over here, and we're going to highlight all of this right here. Say about right there. You want to remove that stroke. So let's go ahead and remove that, and let's just add a color here. This is a random color. It does not have to be this exact color. I'm going to explain to you why we are doing this, because later on we're going to go ahead and rasterize this layer. Right, so once you rasterize it, you cannot change the color. But if you have like a background underneath and you move it to, I'm gonna explain to you soon. So let's go ahead and let's not go forward, and let's do everything step by step. So now we're gonna go ahead and right click, and we want to rasterize this image, this layer. Okay, so once you rasterize it, now we could go to the Liquify Persona over here to our left corner. So you want to go ahead and do that. Click on that. All right, so this is where the fun part comes in. So I'm going to bring mine down, my size of my brush down to 800. Okay. Hardness, I'll put 50%. Again, you could just mess around with it and choose whatever you want in reality. Your speed, bump it up to 70 for now, because it all depends. Like for this one, you need to bump it up to 100% for it to be faster. But I'm not going to be using this tool. Probably not today, but I'm going to be using these two here. Okay, so let's go ahead and use our Liquify Push Left tool. So let's go ahead and do this, and let's go ahead and start messing around with this, creating a pattern here. Okay, you can go ahead and move it just like that, and just again, you want to spend more time when you're creating a nice looking pattern to use it for your designs. But this, again, this is just a quick illustration to show you guys what you can do with this program. You know, it's a really awesome tool because you got to realize that some of the tools that Affinity Photo has, we don't have them for Affinity Designer. And like something like this, Liquify Persona, we don't have it. So again, this is an awesome tool that you can use for any design, posters, t-shirt design. And this is really awesome. You're going to see later on, we're going to create something really cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and push that one like that. Push it like that. This one the opposite way. This one towards that way. Okay, we get in there. All right, this one like that. Put that one like that. And this one right here, let me show you what this one does. Okay, so here we're gonna put 100%. And let's go ahead and hold it, and this is what it does. You see it moves by itself. Okay, same thing over here. Create some awesome stuff with this stuff, I'm telling you. Like, I've been using photo and I'm just learning so much stuff that you could do with it, and utilize it for your designs, you know. Okay, do something like that. All right, so we're gonna leave it just like that, and now we want to go ahead and hit apply. So once you do that, now everything's pixel, is a pixel layer. So this is where what I was talking about, why creating a background layer for it to change colors later on. Because right now, if you try to change the color, it's not gonna work. So let's go ahead and do this. You're gonna highlight it, you're gonna drag down, and you're gonna move left. Once you see that right there, let it go. So now, it's a little glitchy right now because I'm recording. But see right now, it took the color of the background. So let's say if I highlight it, check this out, guys and girls. Check it out. We move it. Let's say we want a red color. I mean a red color right there. Right here, we get a red. It's really awesome. It's really awesome. So you could do that, okay? So now, let's go ahead and type in something real quick. Let me Control Z that. Put the same color it was right there. Let's Control Z. All right. So now let's type in something here to do something really cool here. All right. Oh, what is this? All right. So let's go ahead and make all these caps right here. Let's go up here. All right. All caps. There we go. All right. So let's put this fill white. I know you won't see it, but bear with me. And we want to go ahead and align this to the middle right there. Just like that, okay? Let's go ahead and change the font to make this a little bit more interesting here. This is going to be something really quick, guys, for you to get the point of what I'm trying to say here, that you can utilize these patterns to create awesome designs, t-shirt design, whatever, thumbnails, you know what I mean? I think it's really cool, okay? So let's scale this up. I'll say about right there. We are good. And now what I want to do is go ahead and grab my marquee tool over here. And let's go ahead and drag like this. And bring it to the middle right there. And let go. Right now it's a little glitchy again, like I said, because of the recording thing. Yeah, so I'm about to leave it right there. So now we're going to go ahead and grab my brush tool over here. And I'm going to give this a different color. Let's switch that over here. Sorry. Give this a different color. This is just random right here. And I'm going to start painting, okay? Check this out, guys. This is the stuff you can do, again, with your patterns. And give this a nice look, you know? Just like that. I don't know why that part right there is not painting. Get that out of there. Okay, we're just gonna leave it like that again for the sake of the tutorial. See, you want to spend more time while you're doing your patterns, because you don't want to distort it too much, that these areas right here are really pixelated. So you don't want to do that. You want to take your time, okay? So I'll just Control D to deselect. And I'm gonna go ahead and highlight these both, group them together. And bear with me, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my mockup and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and paste my artwork here. Okay, let's go ahead and align this to the middle, scale it down. Alright, this is something really easy you could do. Any beginner can do this in reality, and it's really fast. There we go. There you have it, guys. Again, be creative with it. Spend more time creating your patterns, and you will create something like this, or even better. So again, guys, thank you for watching. My name is Angel. Take care. Alright guys, so this concludes this video. Hopefully I have found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and ring post notifications. And also, if you have anything you want me to teach in this channel, make sure to leave it in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Again guys, my name is Angel from Angel Design. Stay positive, stay creative, and I'll see you on the next one.